side.
This time, in my first video in English, the fakest quantum experiment of all time. I explained. A Spanish version of this video claims that these marbles separate by themselves by color due to the resonance of crystals, or some mysterious and unknown quantum effect. The quantum nature of this experiment is a complete lie. Quantum effects are generally observed in elementary particles or in other structures such as crystals, but never in a computer animation. Well, not yet, because quantum computers are not practical. The point is that this video is a simulation. Is made with a technique named computer-generated imagery, or CGI. Some programs to make this kind of animation are Blender and Maya. The person who made this animation is a professional, even include camera motion tracking to make this animation more realistic, similar to what we see in augmented reality. It's very cool. This makes the objects in the animation to follow the camera, and so is more realistic. Do you see the movement of the marbles? It's somewhat strange. The movement is slower than it should be, but the video is at normal speed. If this is not a simulation, the second point is that this video violates the laws of probability. The probability that one marble falls to the left is this: 1/2 to the 11. It's very little. The distribution of marbles in this experiment must follow this shape, the bell shape. The true experiment is this: Galton's board, a mechanical machine that shows how the binomial distribution follows a normal distribution if the number of marbles is very large. We see these marbles follow the bell shape. Yeah, this is what must be happening in the video, but it's not. The math behind this experiment: each marble in Galton's board follows a path. In each level of the machine goes to the left or to the right. Goes to the left with probability p, and goes to the right with probability 1 minus p. In a normal Galton's board, this probability is the same. The same probability for left and the same for right, 1/2. In each level the marble makes a Bernoulli trial or Bernoulli experiment. Now listen this: the probability that only 10 of these balls fall on the left extreme is more probable that you won the lottery that this happens. Okie dokie. This is all for this first video. Subscribe to see more of these videos. Leave your suggestions in the comments section. Thank you for your time and for seeing this video, and we see in the next episode of Phone, where the boring tends to be more funny. See you. Oh man, I speak English so bad. Very bad. Some advice to speak better, baby. Leave in the comments.
Hey,